This is Livina Place, Amaltea Building. If you are interested, please message me directly. This is located along Jenny's Avenue, Barangay Rosario, Pasig City. This unit is in the second floor, 2 bedrooms with a total floor area of 49.5 square meter at meron din siyang 5.5 square meters na service area na nasa roof deck, which is also your laundry area. This is near Eastwood and Ortigas Center, below market value at around 4.4 million or 89,000 per square meter. And as you can see, this unit is in good condition. Mukhang brand new pa. This is as is where is, and offer is first come first serve basis. Pero bidding po tayo pag maraming nagpasa ng offer. This is available in cash or at least 20% spot down payment and 80% balance through bank financing exclusive of taxes and fees. So again, if you're interested to make an offer, just message me directly.